So I really urge you to work on your ideas and connect with as many partners as possible. Podium is one of the partners that can.
It's about investments as well as how you evaluate accelerators. So
in this facility, in this hall, anything ever been tested together with us?
all correlated in a way to startup community. But I can definitely say that this
We're facing the reality that we are not so quick at
It's awesome. It's been really
said before, putting around, basically, as I said before, around a semester
In order to be funded.